Hey, what's going on? East River Flats today. Little hiking adventure. October 6th, 2024. Hello, 2025 in June. Like 22nd or 23rd. Vikings are in London today. They're winning 17-7. Got some fresh cigars. So, a little windy today. So we're going to do some hiking adventures here. I don't know how many videos, 3, 4, 5. I'm on the Action 4. We're in the outhouse. Ready to go. So we're going across the Whitey Mole. Let's go. There is a pre-Palestine over there. So the boathouse down here. I've come down before. I came down here with Swell about 3 weeks ago with the dogs. Did a couple videos on the other channel, but yeah. Hope you liked the 2 videos of the apple orchard. Underwhelming, but you know, a good family place to go. Did 2 videos on the GoPro 10. So we're gonna walk along here and check out certain things here. Got up a little early. Like, well, I could rail fan down by the scrap yards. Let's walk down here by the mighty mole and check it out. So you know it's kind of windy down here, but yeah. Little hiking adventure. You can come on down here, and a lot of University of Minnesota people come down here, I think. Going on here. A lot of offshoots down here. East River Flats, they call these down here. We were down here a while ago. We were down here. It just smelled. Because the water's down now. It was up. This is the hunch. Donald J. He's out there in Butler again. Back to the scene of the crime. Someone's talking about he was hunching more than usual. That's why I call him the hunch. So yeah, we're gonna walk around here. I love following trails. Huh. Little soccer ball. Little sissy ball. You can tell the water had been up here before. Yeah, you can tell it was up. It's down now. Everything's ready to crack. Looks like. I'll be up that bridge up there. That's 94. Kind of go up here if you want. Little here you can sit down here and smoke some geef. I think it's kind of boring, but I think it's kind of fun to come down and document it down here. Get off on 94, the exit right out across the bridge, and take a left by the hospital. Come on down here. People were down there playing some volleyball when I got here. Parking for 2 hours, $3.75. So. Tennis shoes. Who knows? Kind of go down into here too as well. But I have a feeling it's the same thing. Kind of. We'll go over here. So it's kind of cool to be down here in the fall. Come on down here. There's one guy that responded to a couple of my videos about Oregon. my Oregon, whatever it may be. And beautiful state. It does rain a lot, but it's nice. My sister lived in Gresham. We drove down the Oregon coast. So we were out here about 4 weeks ago with the girls. Just smell it. It was hot. And I got the leaves are starting to fall. Yeah, also we need rain. The mighty mow is down. I love hiking. We were the Oregon coast. My sister lived there. We had a great time. A lot of trails you can walk. Columbia Gorge is really kind of cool. You go down here and have fires. Be walking over there. Big ass tree. We'll see where this thing goes to. Who knows? I have no idea where I'm going. We'll go back this way. Get back on the trail. Yeah, the trail's up there. We gotta cruise back where we came from. Never hurts to try, right? Kind of adds to the video. Still look at that suitcase of money. Can't find it unless you look, right? So here we are, kind of back where we were before. Yeah, the Vikings got a pick 6 off the bold-faced liar. Oh. Oh. There we go. Now we're back up. Perfect. You can park your bike right there, so let's get on the trail, shall we? Oh, it's paved and some cool areas to walk back into. So it's a really great place to walk. I see a lot of the co-ed, a lot of the girls will come down here, will jog, or people, whatever else is down here. Great place to come on down here. Saw some young lady going by me. They have the big marathon going downtown, People Stadium. So I give them a lot of credit. So I probably could have come up that way, but didn't quite know where I was going, so I wasn't gonna attempt it. You don't know where you're going, but so I used to jog a lot when I was younger. I see somebody jogging and I'm like, oh my goodness. Yep, East River Flats. When you go across 94, you can see it. Great day for a walk. My Cowboys are in Steel City. We'll see if my prediction is right. If when this comes out, if the Motor City Kitties were defending champs in Smelly City, who knows? Always bet against me and you'll win. the hat I'm wearing Blackhawks. We are in rough this upcoming season. I go down there too as well if you want. Well, should I go down there? What the hell? I end this first video going down the hill. I don't kill myself. A lot of driftwood down here. I was over there. Yep. Kind of cool. Oh. You kind of go back up that way. Well, anyways, guys. See all the driftwood. So here, round one. All right. See you in the next one. I take some pictures for my calendar.